Hello and welcome. Today our recipe is tandoori chicken tikka. The best part of the recipe is I am using an air fryer instead of a tandoor. Also presenting you with three different marinations: the hariyali, the malai and the spicy one. So let's start with the green masala. For that I am going to grind 4 green chilies along with a few strands of coriander. Grind it to a fine paste and place it to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. From the spices, I am going to add a quarter teaspoon of coriander powder and garam masala each. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, salt as required. Sprinkle some oregano. You can also use fenugreek leaves, it's up to you. A quarter teaspoon of butter. Mix well and our green marinade is ready. Next we will move on to the red and spicy marinade. To a bowl add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as required, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a quarter teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, sprinkle oregano, a quarter teaspoon of butter, and finally turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon. Mix all together and set aside. Now moving on to the Malai Tikka marinade. To a bowl add 2 teaspoons of thick cream. You can use any brand. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Quarter teaspoon of butter. Quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Salt as required. Oregano. A quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And finally a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Combine. Since all the marinades are ready, we will move to the next stage. For grilling, I am using 750 grams of chicken along with onions and bell pepper. Just to make my presentation colorful, I have used 3 colors of bell pepper. You can prefer for one color or even without, it's up to you. To a bamboo skewer, thread in the marinated chicken pieces and the veggies. Once done, arrange the skewers on a plate. Continue the same using red and green masala. It's good to marinate your chicken pieces for 3 to 4 hours to bring out best results. Now our first batch of chicken is ready to be fried. Now let's start to arrange the skewers on the air fryer tray. Make sure that the skewers are cut to the size of your tray so that they can easily fix in. The tray can hold up to 3 skewers. The left out will go in the next batch. Set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius and let it cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepared my next batch of chicken. After 15 minutes, pull out the tray and you can find lovely smoky chicken pieces. Transfer them to a serving plate. In the same way, continue to cook the next batch of chicken, and once done, garnish with coriander leaves. So I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. If so, do try it out and leave your comments. Also, those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also click on the bell icon to receive the notification. Hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you.